In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an object from Blender as a wavefront OBJ file. This process is essential when you need to use your 3D models in other software or share them with others. Let's dive right in and walk through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful export. First, make sure you're in object mode within Blender. This is crucial because you need to select the specific object or objects you wish to export. Carefully click on these items to highlight them. If you're working with multiple objects, you can hold down the Shift key while selecting them to make sure they're all included. This ensures only the objects you intend to export will be part of the file. Next, let's move to the export process itself. Navigate your way to the File Export menu. You can find it by clicking on File at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Export. Within the export options, you're going to select Wavefront Pod OBJ. This format is a popular choice because it's widely compatible with many 3D applications, making your model versatile for various projects. Once you've selected the Wavefront OBJ format, a file browser window will pop up. This window is where you'll configure your export settings to get everything just right. Pay attention to the right side of the window where you'll find different export options. One critical option to enable here is the Selection Only checkbox. By checking this box, you'll ensure that only the objects you've selected are going to be exported, which prevents any unintended models from being included in the final files. Focus now on the Path Mode setting. You'll want to set this to Copy. What this does is it ensures that any texture images linked to your model are copied into a new folder right beside your OBJ file. This step is particularly important because it keeps everything together, allowing your model to appear correctly with textures when used outside of Blender. Now, choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save your files. This could be a dedicated folder for your 3D models or a specific project directory. Don't forget to give your model an easily identifiable name. This way you can quickly recognize and locate it later on. With everything set, go ahead and click on the Export Wavefront OBJ button. This action will generate your files and save them to the location you specified. It may take a moment depending on the complexity of your model, so be patient. After exporting, it's good practice to verify that everything has been correctly saved. Navigate to the folder you selected and check the files. You should see at least 3 files: the .obj file containing your model's geometry, the .mtl file which handles material and texture paths, and any associated texture image files like .png or .jpg. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your model as a wavefront OBJ file from Blender, making it ready for the next steps in your creative journey. Feel free to review this video if you need a refresher on any of the steps. Happy modeling!